equipment of our fingerprints that identify when they're born pickup. Baby giraffes, when they're first born, they'll be about 6 to 7 feet tall. They also fall about that similar height. They can move around within the first hour of life. They can move at high speeds around 30 miles per hour. And there are going to be some zebras up ahead, as well as some of the springboks, the smaller antelope species over there, kind of coming up on our far right-hand side. The springboks, though, they can move at high speeds around 50 miles an hour, jump about 6 to 8 feet straight up in the air and 13 feet across. And because they're great athleticism, some sports teams will actually have the springbok as their mascot. They have some interesting ridge on their back. They're raised up, alerting the rest of the herd if there's danger nearby. The zebras that were around there, those are some of the Hartman Mountain zebras. They're going to have a dewlap on the neck, an extra skin flap that helps them regulate. Those zebras, they wear black with white stripes, and you can tell that is their nose, they're black, and the first striping on their legs is also black. Don't make any whinnies or neighs, make a snorting or grunting noise. Their main way of communicating between one another. A group of zebras, they're two pairs, they dazzle of zebras, because they confuse their predators as well as different striping patterns in the large group. It's hard for a predator to find really an individual zebra when they're in a large group. Can we not get in the pool anymore? We're going to be slowly making our way over towards the next part of the savanna up ahead.
No, she wants to.
Down trees. The elephants are going to be known as the bulldozers out here, known for knocking down decaying trees. So we're going to see if we can maybe try and find some elephants just a little bit further up ahead out here.
The camera's turning around.
Do you see one of them that looks like it's going to be kind of hiding a little bit behind some of the trees and kind of tall grasses over here on our far right hand side? We'll make some more turns. Maybe try to get a little bit of maybe a better view of them. African elephants, though, they are unfortunately being poached with their tusks made out of ivory. What I think people are doing trying to help them out, though, is black market with fake ivory. Let's see one of the monkeys over there on the left-hand side. That was one of the male mandrills. Male mandrills actually weigh about 90 to 100 pounds. They're one of the animals that inspired the movie The Lion King. They just elongated his tail and make it a little bit more interesting. They have large canine teeth, can be about 3 to 4 inches long, as well as they have pouches inside their mouth. They have a strong food failure for that. We're going to see if we can try and get another view of that elephant. There's one around over here just on the right-hand side. These elephants, though, they do eat a lot of food, about 300 pounds worth of food per day per elephant. They're strong creatures, they have more muscles inside their stomach than we do around the entire body. For some smart creatures, they can solve complex puzzles as well as work as a team together. And the gestation period for the African elephant is close to 2 years. It's about 22 months for these creatures. We'll go see if we can try and find also all the other elephants, probably in the next area, just a little bit further